Lazada Run 2025 is this Sunday. And to be honest, kabado ako. Hindi katulad dun sa Clark Animo Marathon na I'm confident na ready ako. Training went very well. Walang problema. Pero with this run, training was cut off for almost 1 month. Nabawasan siya ng 1 month. And yung 1 month na yun happened pa during my peak week. Kaya, to be honest, my expectations I was hoping to get a 230, sub 230 kasi the last half mary that I did was 238 and I wanted sana to get sub 230. Yun pa rin ideally yung magiging goal ko, pero to be honest, no pressure. Mas importante pa rin as of the moment is yung safety. So to everyone that will run on Sunday, see you. Bye!